Isn't terribly closely related to anything, but probably scorpions and spiders would be
Nice to get a
the
good,
best.
clear shot of that if we
Yep.
can.
Yeah, we're going to once he's settled. Well,
Yeah.
All right, Scott.
thank you.
Fine. So,
Now you can see the lasers are 10 centimeters apart, so to give you an idea, I think from tip to tip on those legs is probably a good 25 centimeters or so.
Yeah, across the whole thing.
So if you don't like spiders, then you might not want to stay tuned for this zoom.
Didn't forget, I just kept giving it to you. Competition.
Oh, and there's a little bentacodon jellyfish that pops up. So these Pycnogonids, you can see, we're looking at it head on, and it's got that long sort of tube sticking out. You see the two yellow bright patches, that's where the eyes would be, so that's probably neural tissue or optic nerve tissue. But it inserts that long proboscis into a polyp of an idarian, and then it basically sucks out the contents. And a lot of the spiders do the same sort of thing. They release an enzyme, turn their food into a slurry, and then they suck it up like it's through a straw. But the really cool thing about the Pycnogonids is you see there's very little to their body. They're almost all leg. In fact, the name of the group used to translate as all leg. And so parts of their digestive system and parts of their reproductive system extend down into their legs because there's no other space for it in the body. And then I think this one may be a male. The two long, thin, leg-like structures are called ovigetures, and it's actually the males that carry the eggs. He's not carrying any eggs right now, but the female would produce the eggs and then transfer them after they're fertilized to the male. So a really nice shot of that.
And the other interesting thing discovered by the faculty member at UH in the office next to mine is that they also breathe through their legs. That they have a whole bunch of areas of very thin chitin all along the legs that they use for oxygen, so oxygen can pass through into the blood as it goes up and down the legs.
All right, it's missing a few parts to the back legs there. And that was kind of convenient as we were looking at this sea spider, this Pycnogonid. We're having a change of our ROV pilot team. They're just getting an update on the situation, and we'll be ready to go here in just a second.
Yeah, nice shot. It's missing a leg, missing part of a leg. Two legs, 1.5 legs.
Ready when you are, Chris.
all right. Onward and upward.
Onward and upward. Take us to the coral promised land, please.
Yeah, I might have worn the wrong shirt today.